Hey, let's be real for a second. You know that subtle moment when your current setup almost keeps up, but you feel that tiny hesitation right when you least want it? That's exactly where this begins, with the MINISFORUM UM880 Plus. This is for the kind of person who values fluid performance in every task you take on. You don't tolerate lag because you feel it, even when others shrug it off. You've been pushing your old setup to its limits, hoping it'll last just a little longer, but deep down you know it's time for something that actually keeps pace with how you think and work. Before you get any further, check the current price and availability. Minis with this level of capability don't linger, and waiting often means paying more or dealing with stock swings. There's a moment that hits hard the first time you switch to this machine. You launch multiple apps, heavy workflows, or even a big project you've been dreading, and instead of that familiar slowdown, everything stays smooth and responsive. That's the realization: you weren't experiencing lag because you're patient, you were experiencing lag because your old setup was holding you back. Once you move past cramped, underpowered machines, you feel a strange sort of relief. No more trimming features just to keep things stable. No more juggling apps or quitting tasks just to give your system room to breathe. You just do what you intended to do, effortlessly. You feel it when you connect multiple displays and still get crisp output without hiccups. You feel it when your daily work or creative sessions flow naturally, without reminding you of performance limits. You feel it even in casual moments, browsing, watching high-res content, connecting devices, because everything just works the way you expect. This isn't about specs on paper. It's about how smooth your experience feels. It's that seamless moment where performance becomes invisible because it finally matches your expectations. If you're considering this at all, don't wait for stock changes or random price jumps. Minis with this punch tend to disappear quietly. You might hesitate because it's a compact form factor. That thought usually comes from a history of associating power with bulk. But here, that compact strength becomes freedom, workspace feels cleaner, setup feels simpler, and performance stays consistent without the noise or heat you've learned to tolerate. The unexpected benefit shows up after a few weeks. You realize how much mental energy your old rig was quietly consuming, energy you can now spend on what actually matters: your work, your creativity, your day. There's a quiet pride that comes with owning something this capable. It's not about showing off, it's about matching your tools to your ambition. Handles heavy workflows with ease, feels consistently responsive all day. Small footprint, big capability, connects to everything without fuss, makes your setup feel intentional, not geared for top-tier gaming. Limited internal upgrade path. Eventually you stop comparing every option and realize you keep circling back here because it fits how you actually use your machine. You don't need more noise, more heat, or more bulk. You need reliability and smoothness. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you think about months later when you hit the same limits again. If this matches how seriously you take performance and ease of use, make the call now and enjoy the difference every day.